So we got the car in the lift, we sanded the front fender, the door, and we got the front bumper painted. Didn't record much of an intro, but this is the 2011 Toyota Camry. We were repairing the front end that got hit, but then we decided to do the quarter panel that was also hit, which we'll be recording that later in the video. We sanded the front door, the fender, which is new, the bumper, which is new, which we already painted, 2 new headlights. We repaired the hood. The hood had a dent right here, as you can see, it's primered in, and we fixed it, and we sanded the whole hood, and we'll be showing you how we did that in a little bit. We also sanded this fender, it's also new. We sanded this door as well, and it has a whole bunch of little pinholes which we filled up, which I'll show you in the video. The other door and the quarter panel has been damaged, but we fixed it. We'll be showing you that as well. The hood was pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and I like the way it came out. Started sanding it down, and it came out really smooth. And in this video, my little brother is here helping us out. He's cleaning the door so we can start sanding it and make it smooth to apply some paint. Now, if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, it's literally free. And here we're going to be pairing the quarter panel, grinding it down so we can have a nice ground so we can apply all the pins.
I'm confused. What are you doing?
I'm putting pins.
Right.
So you can pull out the dirt. Don't the other way. Yeah. Now, since we're done with the quarter panel, we're going to move on to the front end. We're going to be removing the headlights so that we have more access. So when it's time to paint, it's a lot easier. Now we decided to throw Bulldog, which is a paint adhesion promoter which helps the paint stick, and decided to paint the bumper off the car separate like that. We can put the whole car together and paint it and don't have to worry about the bumper. You heard the click? Toyota badge. No, grab it like this. Now pull it. Hey. we taped up the car, we pumped the car up, and we do a base coat to cover up all the primer and to get paint on everything. We're painting, blending the doors, painting the fender, hood, other fender, the two doors, the quarter panel, and it's turning out pretty good. So far we covered all the primered areas, and now we're gonna do our second coat, a third coat, and the 2 coats of clear. The floor. So as I can see here, the rear bumper looks super ugly, so we decided to sand all the stuff down, apply a little bit of icing on top so we could get rid of all the scratches and just repaint it because it just looks ugly. And the whole car looks good, might as well. Alrighty, so we sanded the rear bumper because we just decided to repaint it because the whole car looked good and then the rear bumper didn't. So we're going to throw some black primer on there. This gray is a little light, so throw some black primer and sand it down and paint the rear bumper. Like that the car could look complete. We're ready to paint. We already do one coat, and now we're gonna throw the next one. And we decided to buff the whole car hood up to the roof and make this car look really good. Now this is my first time buffing a roof. I've never buffed a roof before, even though my dad has done it plenty of times, so I took a shot at it. It got very tiring. So after that, I let my dad do the rest of the car because this just makes things a lot faster.
Why is he using the spinning?
So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment down below what you guys' thoughts are, and subscribe to my YouTube channel on our road to 1,000 subscribers. And Happy New Year's. This is my first video of the year. This year is gonna be crazy. A lot of crazy videos gonna be out. We're gonna have 4 builds already planned out for this month and next month. So stay tuned. Peace and God bless.